Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In today's tutorial, I will guide you how you can reset the Snapchat My Eyes Only password without losing your data. So first of all, open the Snapchat and tap on the photo icon from the bottom left above the chat icon. Here on the top, you can see My Eyes Only option. Just tap on it and then you need to tap on setup option. Then from here you can just create a passcode and then you can set my eyes only password, but from this way your data will be lost. So another way to reset the password without losing your data is just go back and go to the profile. On the top left corner you can see, just tap on it. Here you can just tap on the setting option on the top right corner. Scroll down and you will see on the support you can see below I need help option. Just tap on it and then you'll be guided to this page where you will need to scroll down and you'll find contact us option. Just tap on it and just scroll down and just tap on I need help with a Snapchat feature option. Scroll down that what feature is this related to. Just tap on memories option. Tap on using my eyes only. Then after that you will be guided to this page where on the description you need to describe your problem and then you need to tap on the submit. After it is submitted, then your problem will be fixed after a few hours. So this was it guys. If you find this video useful, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe it for more tutorial videos. Thank you.